Hi Capricorn, this is your girl, the Pixie Goddess Tarot, and this reading is for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs in love. This is for both singles as well as couples. It's not a gender specific reading or a time specific reading. So take what resonates with you and leave what doesn't, guys. Let's get started with Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. I'm not going to take much of your time, don't worry about it. If you like this reading, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, guys. And if you think that I need to change something, do mention it in the comments section. Kindly make sure your comments are not derogatory, demeaning, or negative. Suggestions can be given politely, so please do that. You've got the Nine of Swords, the Temperance, Page of Wands, Seven of Cups, Five of Wands, King of Wands. The card at the bottom of the deck is the Nine of Pentacles. Capricorn, what I'm seeing here is that right now you need to stabilize your mind. You need to figure out a way of prioritizing your goals, figure out a way of setting your priorities straight, because with the turmoil in your mind, with this battle of what is good, what is not good, what is right by people, what is right by you, things that you want to manifest. I also see that there is lack of authority right now, lack of authority in your own life. Like other people have more authority in your life than you do on yourself. But in the coming future, yes, I see that you are going to be feeling more authoritative when it comes to your own life and decisions. But right now, you need to slow down and figure out a way to calm yourself down, guys, please. Because you are surrounded by choices, by dilemmas, you're sitting on a fence, there is lack of balance. It's all going to come together. It's going to require a little time, effort, and some calmness from your side. Yeah, see, you've got the Five of Cups and the Eight of Pentacles. You feel as if things are taking a really long time to happen, like your manifestations are taking long. People are getting away with malicious activities, dark activities. People who've let you down have gotten away with their. See, you see 555. Five is a really prominent number. 555 is an angelic number as well. It is about change. It is about change of perception, change of surroundings also. So don't be surprised if you just get up one day and say that I don't want to live here anymore. I want to relocate. You've got the Queen of Pentacles and the Nine of Pentacles again. Prosperity is coming your way. You need to wait a little while. But in order to open up channels to prosperity, you need to first ground yourself, become more aware of what is blocking you, who are the people who you need to cut ties with, who are the people who you need to build relationships with, who are the people who you need to let go of from the past, or who you need to carry on with in your future as well. And all this can only happen when you sit and think and be quiet for some time. Money looks good, health looks good. Um, it's just the mental turmoil that is dragging you down and makes you feel a little sleepy all the time. It's because your brain is overworking itself. You've got the Four of Wands, the Three of Pentacles. You are attracting a relationship that is going to be um, filled with mutual loyalty, mutual commitment, mutual effort. You've got the World again and the Unknown card. Right now, you need to focus on what is your immediate priority. Then once that is done, then which is your second most important priority, then third, then fourth. If you don't streamline your priorities, it's all going to be a mess, Capricorn. You've got the Four of Cups, the Knight of Wands, and the card at the bottom of the deck is the Five of Swords. Again, five. Guys, be careful of trusting people too easily. or giving those people another chance who have let you down once before. Because the fundamental nature of a person never changes, and you are wise enough to take proper decisions now, Capricorn. Regret is not going to take you anywhere. What you can do is leave the past alone, learn from your mistakes, don't repeat them, and keep walking and keep moving towards your goals, ambitions, and fulfilling your priorities. Let's see some extra messages. These messages may or may not be directly related to your tarot. They could just be messages that you needed to hear. So please take what resonates with you and leave what doesn't. I see clouds, I see thoughts, I see overthinking. Number 6, letter K are important. You could be daydreaming a lot. You could be, as I mentioned, overthinking a lot about things that were there instead of thinking about things that are there and how things can be. So make sure you snap out of your daydreaming sessions when you go back into the past. If your daydreams are taking you back into the past, you need to, put a break over there. You're heading towards success. If only you could see what is coming your way, Capricorn. Practice. The best way to be good at a skill is to practice until you get it right. And by practicing, it is not just only for a physical skill. It can also be about the art of letting go, the art of moving on. You've got the Hope card. Look with new eyes and create the change that awaits you, guys. Number 14 or 5 could be important. Standalone numbers 4 and 1 could be important. When you stop and think about the things that have worked out for you, you start magnifying them. So you start magnifying things being good for you. You start magnifying the emotion of things working out for you. You've got the called card. It's time to step up and realize what you're being called for. Also, harness your talents, harness your ability, harness your gifts that you've been given, and be of service to people. Help people without asking for anything in return, Capricorn. These are ways and tools of opening your channels, opening your blockages, and letting God in, letting good things in. Okay, these cards are stuck together. You've got the Unbound card, releasing soul patterns, contracts, and past lives, releasing old patterns as well. Things that make you feel stagnated are not supposed to be a part of your life. Life should be moving constantly. Energy should be moving constantly, guys. Have faith in your dreams. A new start is coming. Prosperity lies ahead, exactly. You are very close to achieving your goal. Don't let your past hold you back. And luck is on your side. The signs that are present here are Taurus, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini. I let the universe catch up with my dreams. Yes, and have faith that your dreams are getting fulfilled, your manifestations are appearing in your life. Everything starts with a belief, guys. That was all for you, Capricorn. Thank you so much for giving me a chance to serve you. If you like this reading, please like, share, subscribe, and visit again. Thank you for watching. Bye.